Hello friends, today we are going to shut down the Windows system by the gesture. Firstly, go to the My Computer or in this PC. Open the C drive, or where the Windows is loaded. Now open the Windows folder. Now the System32 folder. There you'll find the file name slide to shutdown.exe. Right-click on the file and select the option Send to Desktop. It will create a shortcut to desktop. Now select the newly created shortcut and right-click on it. You can rename the shortcut as per your convenience. After renaming it, again right-click on the file and choose the properties. On the new window, click on Change Icon, and select the icon you want. I choose the proper shutdown icon, you can choose anything. Now the button is ready. By double-clicking on it you find the gesture shutdown option. By sliding the picture to downward you can shut down the system. Now for the shutdown with timer. Now we are going to show the shutdown using DOS with a timer. As we all know, the DOS command of shutdown is shutdown space minus S for log off. It is shutdown minus L, and for restart the system it is shutdown minus up. But today you know how to set timer for shutdown. It's an extra parameter with -t followed by the numeric number, represent the as second. Like here we use 100, that means it will shut down in 100 seconds. By entering this command, our system is going to shut down, so we want to abort that. There is another command is shutdown -a, which abort the ongoing shutdown process. For an example, now we are set the timer as 6000, that means it will shut down after 100 minutes. In the notification area you can find the shutdown notification. Now the shutdown shortcut, you can create new shortcut for shutdown. By right-clicking on desktop blank space, and select new shortcut. On the new window, type the same DOS commands with parameter to the text box and click next. It will create the shutdown shortcut. You can also change the icon as shown. On double-clicking the shortcut icon you can easily shut down the system without going to Start menu. For shutdown by the keyboard the shortcut key is Alt F4, it will open the shutdown menu. If you like to watch more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.